All right, hey guys, we're gonna go over the elephant in the room here real quick. So let me grab it. Here it is. We're gonna go over these here, the LEGO Crocs. Yes, I bought them. Why did I buy them? Well, stay tuned and you'll find out. But anyway, here they are. Let's take them over to the desk here and we'll check them out. All right, so here we go. We got these. Let's open up the box. All right, so here's what they come like. My box did get a little beat up when I got it, but that's okay. It's just a box, but all right. So you have here where they're all packed up, fit nice, perfect. It does come with the poly bag. Well, not really poly bags anymore, but anyway, paper bags we can call them. So I probably won't open this. I'll probably just leave it and kind of go from there. Anyway, let's take out the instructions because these are actually kind of funny here. So let's throw those out here. All right, open these up. You can see here it has a little poster on here, but anyway, this is where you want to see it. It has your do's and your don'ts for these, so I thought that was pretty funny. So basically, you don't want to step on Lego with your bare feet. We all know that. It hurts. And so you can use these apparently to walk on Lego. We'll have to try that out at some point. Basically, you can loan them to a friend who doesn't return your calls, or you can match your best friend, which is your little Lego minifigure. The other don't is on here is let them get dusty on the shelf. I will say mine are going to get dusty on the shelf. I got these to put up in my Lego room for a little display piece. I don't know where I'm going to put them yet. Maybe by my Adidas shoes somewhere over here. We'll find a spot for them. But anyway, I did get them for a display. They're awesome. I mean, they just look cool. So let's open them up here real quick. So here it is. I mean, these things are massive. These are a size 12 men's. And I'm going to go get a scale and show you how much these weigh, because they are super heavy. They're durable. They're definitely were not made to be wearable. Whatever you see anywhere, you cannot wear these out. You can't walk in them without tripping, and they hurt your feet really bad. So anyway, you might want to step on Lego instead, but let me grab the scale and show you how much these things weigh. All right, here's a scale. We're gonna just put that right on top here. 4 pounds. One of these is 4 pounds. So times that by 2 for both your feet, and you got 8 extra pounds on your feet. They are massive, like I said. They're totally not wearable. Nobody has mentioned how much these things weigh, but there it is. All right, here we go. Here they are. This is how you have to walk in them. You got to shuffle your feet, but anyway, this is how silly they look. My Crocs will be up here, not on my feet. So anyway, maybe we'll walk on some Lego to check it out here in a little bit. But anyway, if you have any questions on these and how stupid they are, let me know. However, I still got them because I'm a Lego fan and they're gonna look awesome up on the shelf. So anyway, thanks for watching.